Let's look at some examples that might appear on the CTs for finance and percentage. So I'm going to work through the 2021 example. What I'll do is I'll do a series of videos where I'll do a couple of questions on each one as we work through that document. So question 1 looks at this idea of converting a fraction into either a percentage or into a decimal. And in order to do this, just through this process, okay? So for any fraction, we can convert it into a percentage by multiplying it by 100 over 1. So 5 goes into itself once, and 5 goes into 120 times. So therefore that will equal 80%, okay? And then 4/5 here, we can take that up to the next multiple of 10, becomes 8/10, and we should know that 8/10 is equal to 0.8, okay? Equally, we could have taken the 80% and turned that into the 0.8. So some of this is just manipulation of number that is common to us. Okay, question 2 looks at converting 85% into a decimal and then into a fraction. So 85% becomes 85 over 100, okay? And then we can 0.85, okay? And then as a fraction, we've got the 85 over 100 already, okay? And here we're just reducing that to its lowest terms. So 5 goes into both numbers, so we have 5 goes into 17 times, into that 20 times, so 17 over 20. Okay, question 3 looks at the idea of converting 7.5 out of 20. As you can see here, we're given a mixed number, and we can express that as 7.5 over 20, okay? And then what we would do is we can increase that by basically effectively multiplying both the top and the bottom by 10. So that moves that decimal spot 1 spot, okay? It moves it here 1 spot, so you end up with 75 over 200, okay? Now at that point, in order to convert to a percentage, we want to put it over 100. So that will then equal 37.5 over 100, which then is 37.5%. And then the question asks for it to be to 1 decimal place, and so it's already at 1 decimal place, 37.5.